All right, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This channel is for educational purposes, and we try to come up with lessons that are off the beaten path for you, things that you might not know about because they've been suppressed, things that the powers that be don't want you to know about, but if you did know about them, they would affect your life in positive ways in terms of your quest for better spiritual, mental, and physical health. This segment is called Your Blind Side, and this is for the patriots, diggers, and anons out there who may be overly involved in their digs, their rabbit holes, and may not have time to look at the big picture. This is kind of a heads up, uh, protecting your six from me. And yeah, uh, the info war, it looks good. I think that we've won. I think that it's over. Um, the other side, the deep state, the globalists, are circling the drain. They have lost everything um, that they, value is is being defeated, and um, you know what that means is that the Patriots are eventually going to get the opportunity because it's going to be a long slog here. Um, uh, a reenactment of the events are going to play out for the so-called normies, the catatonic that again are not stupid, but just are in a trance. They're in maybe a couple different trances. It's TDS trance and a cognitive dissonance trance. And so um, they have to be hit with um, news, so-called news, or reenactments of uh, events that have recently occurred, um, or maybe even not so recently occurred, that are increasingly absurd because otherwise it's not going to provide the shock value that would arouse them. They've learned to kind of um, shield themselves from the news. Um, they're able to kind of take blows of things that happen in the world that um, they can just kind of not react to or not pay very much attention to or just kind of shrug their shoulders. Well, so the events have to be incredibly absurd, ridiculous, jarring for them to kind of like get their attention. And so that's why the events look so foolish out there. And the, the ones of us who are at least partially awake, um, are kind of able to see this, and this we have to recognize that these events are not for our consumption because otherwise they might really upset you because they are so absurd and obvious and blatant um, in sometimes in their uh, inauthenticity. And so, we could sit around and kind of get popcorn and watch the festivities, But what's really, I would say, prudent and a better use of our time is to regroup, redeploy, and get ourselves another dose of red pills because that is what's going to be needed. We are not ready to implement our agenda onto the general public because our agenda is filled with holes and it's filled with ideologies, values, beliefs, rituals, holidays, heroes that are infested or infected by deep state propaganda, psyops, and hoaxes and false flags and all of the other misinformation and disinformation that the deep state thrives upon. um, do, didn't it didn't just start in the 20th century. It goes all the way back into prehistoric times. And so all of the values that you've accepted in your life and cherished and the values of your parents and grandparents and your heritage and your culture and your religion and your heroes. These things are all infested with deep state propaganda. And it doesn't matter how much you like them. And it doesn't even matter how much they've done you good or that you've perceived that they've done you good in the past, that they've been values that have resulted in you being a good person. That still doesn't matter. What matters is the truth. And so, what matters is where did these things come from? What have they been, uh, installed in you for? And what is the actual truth? And, um, these things are going to have to be determined on a case by case basis. Everybody has slightly different beliefs and values and heroes and holidays and rituals. But none of them have been getting the proper attention from you. You've focused on 20th and 21st century things in the politics and in the you know realm of war and social events, but you haven't taken your digs and your scrutiny into your own personal um, inventory. And unfortunately, when you do this, um, most likely these things are going to fall apart like a house of cards because none of them are real. In particular, your belief, your religion, um, Christianity will be found out to be a um, psychological operation written by the Romans. The Caesars are the true authors of the New Testament. It can be proven, um, and there is no evidence for it. And so, as a truther, you need to recognize that truth is the highest value, and that if something is false, if something has no evidence for it and it has considerable evidence against it, then, you know, that is the direction that you have to go. And, um, the commander in chief and the 17th letter, they know this and they're waiting for you to become aware of it. Um, just like they were waiting for you to become aware of a lot of other things in the past. The um, y- you know the situation with the pandemic and with some of the political endorsements from the commander, um, he had to be called out. And he's going to have to be called out again on this Christianity hoax. But he knows about it. Um, and it's just a matter of you knowing about it. And because we can't go forward with this false agenda. Okay, I feel like a broken record talking about this, but nobody's listening, and so I got to keep talking. Um, okay, like, share, subscribe, comment, contribute, share out, and hopefully we will penetrate the thick skulls of the not searching for truth. And thanks for tuning in today. Have a great day, and remember to continue to watch your blind side.